Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Sculpted, muscular, aggressive. This amazing luxury four-door coupe is without a doubt a treat for the eyes. The exquisite interior and powerful engine please the rest of your senses. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Front heated leather bucket seats. Memory exterior door mirror settings. Hands-free liftgate. Intercooled turbo i6 engine. Four-wheel drive. Streaming audio. Dual zone climate control. Automatic with driver control suspension management. Auto dimming rear view mirror. And automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz. High style, high performance. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,